Today we're going to be sharing how to make this super simple terracotta skeleton. I found this glow-in-the-dark skeleton at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. And then I just mixed a few different color paints that I had with a bunch of baking soda and put a layer to give it a bunch of texture. I did end up doing a few different layers of the baking soda paint to give it a little bit more texture and thickness in certain parts. And then once I was done with that, it was a little bit too bright orange for me, so I went back in with a darker terracotta color to go over the texture. And then once it was dry, it was ready to hang.